Important full forms for NEET exam. NEET. The full form of NEET is National Eligibility Come-Entrance Test. The National Eligibility Come-Entrance Test, undergraduate, or NEET, UG, formerly the All India Pre-Medical Test, AIPMT, is an All India Pre-Medical Entrance Test for students who wish to pursue undergraduate medical, MBBS, dental, BDS, and Ayush, BAMS, BUMS, BHMS, etc., courses in government and private institutions in India, and also, for those intending to pursue primary medical qualification abroad. Now, let us have a look at the important full forms for the NEET exam. ICZN. The full form of ICZN is International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. FADH. The full form of FADH is Flavin Adenine Dinucleotide Hydrogen. NAD. The full form of NAD is Nicotinamide Adenine Dinucleotide. NADH. The full form of NADH is Nicotinamide Adenine Dinucleotide Hydrogen. NADPH. The full form of NADPH is Nicotinamide Adenine Dinucleotide Phosphate Hydrogen. ADP. The full form of ADP is Adenosine Diphosphate. ICBN. The full form of ICBN is International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. POST. The full form of POST is Peritoneal oocyte and sperm transfer. CPCB. The full form of CPCB is Central Pollution Control Board. ICUN. The full form of ICUN is International Union for Conservation of Nature. UNEP. The full form of UNEP is United Nations Environment Programme. UNDP. The full form of UNDP is United Nations Development Programme. MAB. The full form of MAB is Man and Biosphere. MMR. The full form of MMR is Measles, Mumps, and Rubella. EFB. The full form of EFB is European Federation of Biotechnology. SCID. The full form of SCID is Severe Combined Immunodeficiency Disease. WPSI. The full form of WPSI is Wildlife Protection Society of India. SARS. The full form of SARS is Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. UNCED. The full form of UNCED is United Nations Conference on Environment and Development. MHC. The full form of MHC is Major Histocompatibility Complex. ARC. The full form of ARC is AIDS-related complex. WHO. The full form of WHO is World Health Organization. SIV. The full form of SIV is Simian Immunodeficiency Virus. IUD. The full form of IUD is Intrauterine Device. OCP. The full form of OCP is Oral Contraceptive Pill. MESA. The full form of MESA is Microsurgical Epididymal Sperm Aspiration. TSE. The full form of TSE is Testicular Sperm Extraction. ETC. The full form of ETC is Electron Transport Chain. PMC. The full form of PMC is Pollen Mother Cells. MMC. The full form of MMC is Megaspore Mother Cell. SCA. The full form of SCA is Skill Cell Anemia. PKU. The full form of PKU is Phenylketonuria. NHC. The full form of NHC is Non-Histone Chromosomal. EST. The full form of EST is Expressed Sequence Tags. SNP. The full form of SNP is Single Nucleotide Polymorphisms. SCRR. The full form of SCRR is School of Cytogenetics and Radiation Research. CMI. The full form of CMI is Cell-Mediated Immunity. PEC. The full form of PEC is Primary Endosperm Cell. PEN. The full form of PEN is Primary Endosperm Nucleus. GnRH. The full form of GnRH is Gonadotropin-Releasing Hormone. LH. The full form of LH is Luteinizing Hormone. FSH. The full form of FSH is Follicle-Stimulating Hormone. HCG. The full form of HCG is Human Chorionic Gonadotropins. HPL. The full form of HPL is Human Placental Lactogen. CDRI. The full form of CDRI is Central Drug Research Institute. MNR. The full form of MNR is Maternal Mortality Rate. IMR. The full form of IMR is Infant Mortality Rate. RCH. The full form of RCH is Reproductive and Child Health Care. MTP. The full form of MTP is Medical Termination of Pregnancy. STI. The full form of STI is Sexually Transmitted Infections. STD. The full form of STD is Sexually Transmitted Diseases. BD. The full form of VD is Venereal Diseases. RTI. The full form of RTI is Reproductive Tract Infections. HIV. The full form of HIV is Human Immunodeficiency Virus. AIDS. The full form of AIDS is Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. PID. The full form of PID is Pelvic Inflammatory Diseases. ART. The full form of ART is Assisted Reproductive Technologies. IVF. The full form of IVF is In Vitro Fertilization. ET. The full form of ET is Embryo Transfer. ZIFT. The full form of ZIFT is Zygote Intrafallopian Transfer. IUT. The full form of IUT is Intrauterine Transfer. GIFT. The full form of GIFT is Gamete Intrafallopian Transfer. ICSI. The full form of ICSI is Intracytoplasmic Sperm Injection. AI. The full form of AI is Artificial Insemination. IUI. The full form of IUI is Intrauterine Insemination. DNA. The full form of DNA is Deoxyribonucleic acid. RNA. The full form of RNA is ribonucleic acid. NHC proteins. The full form of NHC proteins is Non-Histone chromosomal proteins. TMV. The full form of TMV is Tobacco mosaic virus. snRNA. The full form of snRNA is Small Nuclear RNA. HMRNA. The full form of HMRNA is Heterogeneous Nuclear RNA. mRNA. The full form of mRNA is Messenger RNA. tRNA. The full form of tRNA is Transfer RNA. rRNA. The full form of rRNA is Ribosomal RNA. UTR. The full form of UTR is Untranslated Regions. HGP. The full form of HGP is Human Genome Project. BAC. The full form of BAC is Bacterial Artificial Chromosomes. YAC. The full form of YAC is Yeast Artificial Chromosomes.